Upham lists 8 factors every classroom teacher should consider when determining what to assess in their classroom assessments. Those 8 factors, in a brief explanation, are as follows. Number 1, have a decision focus. In other words, what decision will be linked to these results. Number 2, the number of assessment targets. How many standards or skills are you going to be assessing? Number 3, your assessment domain is emphasized. Is it going to be cognitive, affective, or psychomotor? Number 4, norm referencing and or criterion referencing. Are the results going to be measured against a curricular aim, or are they going to be measured against the performance of other students? Number 5, selected response mode versus constructed response mode. In short, you're going to give multiple choice or short answer questions. Number 6, the relevant curricular configurations. Is it aligned to mastery of state standards? Number 7, national subject matter organizations' recommendations. Does it agree with the recommendations of other specific assessments? And then lastly, number 8, collegial input. In other words, ask a fellow teacher for their thoughts. In the current environment, a classroom teacher is heavily encouraged and almost forced to focus singularly on the assessment targets and how they align to the state standards. While I agree that assessment should be aligned to the standards, assessments should be built to measure how much of the standard the student has mastered. Using the assessment in a formative manner, not in a summative manner, allows the learner to be self-reflective about their learning and keeps the teacher evaluation from being punitive in nature. Using assessment in this manner prevents the students from shutting down and prevents an adversarial relationship from developing. Students then also can chart their journey and use the information to change their mindset or their effort. Hopefully this would result in, would positively impact student performance and ultimately result in student mastery of the content aim. Spriggins mentions that assessment for learning instead of assessment of learning builds a growth mindset in the learners where they can feel motivated to learn. A professional learning community, or PLC, can use this assessment information to drive future instruction. Teachers teaching the same content area can modify labs, learning experiences, projects, assignments, and other assessments based on these formative assessments. This is obviously one of the benefits of being a part of a PLC.